Hi, I'm Jason Dragon from Emerald Computers, and normally I do a whole bunch of these really short videos, but today I'm going to give the people who are willing to watch a much longer tour of what we do here at Emerald Computers. So we are called Emerald Computers because we're the green computer company. We focus on recycling. We try to get good, high quality computers from people who have them, whether we have to go and all over the city to pick them up, whether we have to buy them, whatever we need to do to get those computers. And then we make sure we take all the data off those computers, we recycle those computers, and they then get a brand new SSD and get refurbished so that you can buy a computer at a significantly huge discount. So, of course, everybody wants laptops, and everybody wants a good deal on laptops. These are all really nice laptops that we're selling for half or less than half of what they went for. But it's not just that they're cheaper. They're actually better than when they were brand new. They have all the drivers, all the updates. They've been completely cleaned and detailed. And most importantly, almost all of them have been upgraded. They got more RAM. They have SSDs, usually significantly faster and better and larger SSDs than when they came with. So you add all that together, this used computer is better than a brand new computer. And all of our computers that we sell in our lobby here are guaranteed the work. We put a guarantee on them. You have an issue, which we almost never have an issue with anybody. But if you have an issue, you bring them back and we give you that much back in store credit and you just buy a different computer that you like. Instant, quick, and easy. We have quite a few computers on the shelf, all the way from super high-end gaming computers. This one has a 4060 GPU, 32 gigs of RAM, a 2 terabyte NVMe. You couldn't buy a computer with these specs right now for under $1,000 anywhere. And this is hardly even used, and we're selling it for $700. It's a killer deal. We also have the workhorse of almost any business, the Dell Optiplexes. We have all of these ones are completely refurbished, ready to go. We have all-in-one computers. Let's see, we have all-in-ones. We have Chromebooks. We have a whole bunch more desktops. We have a whole bunch of laser printers, mostly color laser printers. This color laser printer is a $1,000 laser printer. And we went out, we bought brand new ink cartridges for it and tested it. It works perfectly. This is actually a print from this printer. And it works great, and you can pick up this printer for $365. Put that in your office. We have gaming hardware, headphones, keyboards, mice. We also have lots of monitors. I went to a dentist office yesterday, and they were literally using 17-inch monitors from 20 years ago. And, you know, the amount of money that they're charging for a dental service, they could literally refit their entire office with brand new, super bright, high quality 24-inch monitors, and it's what they charge for one dental service. That's how inexpensive these computers are. These are more of our budget computers over here. Laptops, we have laptop bags. So everybody can kind of ask what all these questions are. What does Emerald Computers do? And this is what we do. We have brand new monitors. We have wires, keyboards, mice. We keep a little bit of each one there. On our wall over here, we have all this stuff. We have wires. We have a lot of accessories, mice that people love to get, headphones, various cards for your computer. That card right there is a pretty popular card. It plugs into any computer and gives you a whole bunch of extra USB and USB-C ports. We have gaming keyboards, gaming mice. We actually have gaming computers over here. We have 6 gaming computers ready to go right now. And I think two of these computers are ones that we've completely built with brand new parts, but the rest of them are ones that we were able to buy off people, and we get them at a good killer deal, and we're able to pass that deal on to you. Like, this computer is $595. There's no way you could build a computer for anywhere close to that money if you're trying to build it yourself. You'd be spending probably $1,000. This computer here, very fast, yet again. I mean, this computer is $825. The RAM in this computer is worth $300. The SSD in this computer is worth $200. If you were to buy just the RAM and SSD, you already have $500. And this has a 2080 Super, which is about a $200 card. So the RAM, SSD, and video card, if you were to go out and buy it, is about the same price that we're selling the entire computer for. And that's what we do here. We're just selling everything to move it and give people a great experience. Get them into technology and get them doing stuff. We have these are all video transfer cables from whatever to whatever. You want a mini DisplayPort cable to an HDMI cable? Good, we have it. You want an HDMI cable to a VGA cable? Good, we have it. Whatever you need, we have it. That's what we're trying to do. Over here, we have a whole bunch of various parts for gaming computers, power supplies, keyboards, mice, water cooling systems, air cooling systems, fans, RGB equipment. We have a lot more. This is just what we have on show, but we also have even more than that. Here are the gaming keyboards and mice. We have the Huntsman's Pro. This is a very, very high-end keyboard, if you know anything about Razer and all that. We do have monitors here. We do have a lot of used monitors, and of course the new monitors. We can also order whatever you want. On top of doing all of this, and on top of recycling and refurbishing all of this for everybody, we also are a full service tech team where we can go and fix your computers. So we have, let's see, 5 computers on the bench right here that we're fixing. We have 2 laptops we're fixing for other customers, and people come in and we take care of them. We're one of the best deals in town. You're not going to find a company that is professional as we are and has the skills that we do that charges anywhere near what we charge. Everybody else is way more expensive for way less skills and way less activity. You know, we are Emerald Computers. I would love it if you are interested in this. You know, make sure you follow us on Facebook. Make sure you follow us, like and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. You know, if you can follow us on Facebook, on YouTube, or you can, you know, even sign up for our newsletter. You just go to emeraldcomputers.com and there's a button right there to sign up for the newsletter. And that will let you get even better deals. We send out coupons all the time to those people. We right here we have our memory in stock. We have a whole bunch of extra video cards. We have brand new video cards, used video cards. We have extra power supplies, new and used. A whole bunch more graphics cards over here. And then through this door, we have our recycling center. So if you are somebody who wants to buy some older technology and refurbish it yourselves and maybe flip them and make some profit, well, that's what we have here. We have the desktops here, and over there on those shelves we kind of pass by, we have all the laptops. There's probably 200 laptops on those shelves right now. We have about 700, 800 desktops ready to go right now. So if you want to go and buy a whole bunch of Optiplexes for some call center, you come here, you buy them, you can flip them for double, triple your money. Make good profit. We also have a whole entire antique section. We do allow the general public to come into our warehouse and look through everything. It's a little bit messy right now because we're in the middle of resorting and organizing, but we also have tons of monitors. So whatever you need, if it's whatever technology you need, call Emerald Computers. We do everything when it comes to computer systems. We get you the best deal. We can help you analyze and figure out what the best computer for your needs is. I also personally help people with their businesses. We help you with SEO. We help you with making a CRM software, building your website, getting you more customers. That's just another service we do. We use technology to get you more customers. We also use technology to save electricity by shutting the lights off when nobody's walking near it. So if you need anything for your business, you need more exposure, you need social media marketing, we do that. You need video editing, we can do that. You need technology, you need brand new computers, you need used computers, you need just to learn how to use the computers better. We can come to your office and train your people on how to just use your own computers better. We can also show you how to create backup systems, do cloud backup, do on-site backup. Whatever you need, we've done it all. And we have a team of high quality techs. It's not just me. If you're doing an on-site job, you might get Dawson, you might get Emerson. We have a whole team of people that will come out and take care of whatever your problems are. We have 2 separate retail stores. This is our main store at 7642 West Vogel Avenue here in Peoria, but we also have a store over in Sun City at 10,001 West Bell Road, Suite 126. You get a hold of our team. We just have one convenient number to call for everybody. It's 623-240-2424. From there, you're going to have extensions. You want to talk to Sun City, you want to talk to Peoria, you want to talk to the recycling team, you want to talk to the tech team, you want to talk to me. There's all these different options, and you just pick who you want to talk to. And the second you click that button, it rings their cell phone. So you're not going to be sitting on hold. You're not going to be waiting around. And as long as they answer their cell phone, you're good. If they don't, they'll call you back as soon as they're done with whatever they're doing. But that's how we built our business. Customers first, working with making everything easy, making everything fast, and we make sure everything that we do is guaranteed for your customer satisfaction. So we've been in business for over a quarter of a century, 26 years of business here in the Peoria and Glendale area. And we are going to be here for much longer. We are, I feel, the best computer company in the Northwest Valley, if not the whole valley. And if you need computer services, websites, anything you need, you call us, bookmark us, follow us, like us, do whatever you need to do to remember to find Emerald Computers on that day that you need computer stuff. You might not need it today, but we're going to be here for years and years to come. And we just want to, on that day that you need us, whether it's 2 years from now, 3 years from now, we'll be here. And you're going to be able to call us and come in, and we'll take care of you just like we do with everybody else. So thanks. We are Emerald Computers. I'm Jason Dragon. I'm the founder and owner of Emerald Computers. Emerson is my son, and he's one of the main people who runs this particular store. I'm here at the main store, obviously. So he's the one you're probably going to be working with at the main store. I do all the marketing and I float between the stores. I also do all the back end stuff. So if you need anything, just give us a call. 623-240-2424. Thanks.